Welcome back, my little pumpkins. Today we're going to just go ahead and get started. First we're going to take this Benefit Porefessional. Next we're just going to take some good old Scotch tape, and this is going to help make sure that our eyeshadow is sharp. Next we're going to take this Milani eyeshadow primer, and we're just going to place this all over our eyelids as normal. Now going in with this Kat Von D eyeshadow palette. It's called Vida Loca. We're going to take the color Black Metal and we're going to place this all over our eyelid. Now if you would like, you can go in with any eyeliner and make a winged look. This is not required, but I went ahead and did it anyways because I thought, hell, why not? Next I just took some lotion on a pad and I wiped away all of the fallout that I had from the eyeshadow. Next we're going to take one of my favorite foundations, and this is the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 238, and we're going to go in with the amazing Morphe 439, the Morphe 439 brush, and we're going to put our foundation on as normal. Next we're going to take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Light, and we're just going to highlight. When I highlight, I like to draw a V on the top of my forehead, and then an arrow, and then I connect that all the way down to my nose. I go ahead and add a little bit on my Cupid's bow, and then I add about 5 to 8 dots on my chin. And then once that is all complete, I'll go in with the foundation brush I just used and I'll pat that all into the skin. Make sure you don't rub, you just want to pat it. Next we're going to go ahead and do that under the eyes. And whenever I do this, I like to do a triangle shape instead of a circle because it actually makes your eyes look more awake. Next, we're going to take this Bareminerals loose powder and we're going to put this all along the areas where we just highlighted. This will prevent your highlight from creasing. Next, we're going to go in with this Hard Candy's Heat Wave, and we're going to bronze our face. I bronzed my face this time. I made sure I put a lot of bronzer on because I really wanted my cheeks to be chiseled. Next, we're going to go in with the Always BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush Palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and bake so that this contour is super sharp. I'm bringing it all the way into the lips to give that even more sucked in effect. Next, we're going to take Milani's blush in Romantic Rose, and we're just going to put that on the apples of our cheeks. And then eyebrows were done. Hey! Now we're going to go in with this BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, and this is just a black, and I'm going to go ahead and draw on my nose. Once I get the nose, I'm going to fill it in. Now I'm going to connect that nose all the way down into the center of my Cupid's bow. Next, we're going to go in with that same eyeliner from BH Cosmetics, and we're just going to draw our little dots. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and just draw our whiskers. I was trying to make this as even as possible, but the more I started adding whiskers, the more I was like, you know what? We're just going to have whiskers everywhere. But again, this is your look, so do whatever you would like. Now we're going to go in with Kat Von D's lipstick in the shade Witches, and we're just going to put this on the top of the lip. You don't want this on the bottom, just on the top.